When it comes to home improvement projects, few investments make as noticeable a difference as replacing old, worn-out windows. For Gainesville homeowners, where humid summers, rainy seasons, and warm sunshine are part of daily life, windows play a crucial role in both comfort and efficiency. While it may be tempting to attempt window replacement as a DIY project, hiring professionals offers far greater value in the long run. Here's why professional window replacement is worth every penny. Precision installation for maximum efficiency. Even the best energy-efficient windows won't perform properly if they're not installed correctly. A small gap, improper sealing, or uneven fit can lead to drafts, moisture intrusion, and wasted energy. Professional installers in Gainesville have the training, tools, and experience to ensure your windows are placed securely and sealed tightly. This precision helps prevent common problems such as fogging between panes, air leaks, and water damage, all of which can shorten a window's lifespan and increase utility bills. With expert installation, you can be confident that your investment is protected. Improved energy savings. In Gainesville's climate, Florida homeowners know how quickly air conditioning costs can climb during the hot, humid months. Old windows with poor insulation can make it even harder to keep indoor spaces cool, forcing your HVAC system to work overtime. By choosing professional window replacement, you not only get energy-efficient glass but also a flawless installation that ensures those efficiency ratings are achieved in real-world conditions. This means lower monthly utility bills and a more comfortable living environment year-round. Enhanced home security. Windows are one of the most vulnerable entry points in any home. Professional window replacement ensures that your new windows are not only stylish but also secure. Many modern windows come with advanced locking mechanisms, impact-resistant glass, and reinforced frames designed to deter break-ins. When properly installed, these features provide peace of mind for Gainesville homeowners who want to feel safe in their own homes. Boost in property value and curb appeal. A fresh set of professionally installed windows can dramatically improve your home's curb appeal. Whether you're planning to sell in the near future or simply want to enhance your home's appearance, updated windows create a polished, well-maintained look. Real estate professionals consistently note that homes with new windows attract more buyers and often sell for higher prices. In Gainesville's competitive housing market, professional window replacement can set your property apart. Warranty protection and peace of mind. One of the biggest advantages of professional installation is warranty coverage. Most manufacturers require professional installation for their warranties to remain valid. This means that if any issues arise, whether with the glass, frame, or ceiling, you'll be covered. Attempting DIY window replacement often voids this protection, leaving homeowners responsible for costly repairs or replacements down the road. With professionals, you get both quality workmanship and the reassurance that your investment is safeguarded. Tailored solutions for Gainesville homes. Every home is different, and Gainesville's mix of historic properties, modern builds, and suburban neighborhoods means there's no one-size-fits-all solution. Professional window contractors take the time to assess your home's architecture, orientation, and energy needs before recommending the best options. From impact-resistant windows to handle Florida storms, to noise-reducing designs for busy neighborhoods, professionals can match you with the ideal solution for your lifestyle and budget. Final thoughts. For Gainesville homeowners, professional window replacement is more than just an upgrade, it's an investment in comfort, efficiency, and long-term value. From lowering utility bills and improving security to boosting curb appeal and protecting your warranty, the benefits far outweigh the costs. If you're considering new windows, working with experienced professionals ensures you'll get the most from your investment while enjoying peace of mind for years to come.